In this section, we'll wrap up the reflection in the lagoon using Procreate's alignment tools, and then you'll learn to color pick from the canvas to finish up the painting. So starting with the reflection, in the layers, if you hid the two separate mountain layers in the last lesson, go ahead and make them visible again so that they can function as a guide to line up the reflection with. Then, select the clipping mask layer. This is indicated by the little arrow here next to the thumbnail. Now tap the transform arrow. On the bottom toolbar, tap Flip Vertical. This mirrors the object. To adjust the placement of this to look more like a realistic reflection, we'll want to use alignment tools, which gives us these guides as we move it. To access alignment tools, tap Snapping here, and in this pop-up, there are two main toggles. Snapping activates the guide so that you can align your object relative to the canvas edges, center, or the objects on other layers. Magnetics makes it easy to slide an object across a guide, so if you're moving it vertically, it'll help you position it straight down without any horizontal movement. These sliders here control the sensitivity to the guides. Distance controls how far away an object needs to be before it snaps or jumps to a guide. So setting it at 1 will mean you need to be almost exactly on top of a guide for it to snap into place, and setting it at 50 means it'll snap if the edge is within 50 pixels of a guide. Velocity controls how freely your object will move around the canvas in relation to the guides. At none, it won't activate any guides, and at max, it'll snap to every single possible guide that appears. You may find that throughout the course of a project, you need to toggle this on and off at different points. For this step, be sure to turn on both toggles, and then slide the distance slider to max and increase velocity at least partway. Now we want our reflection to be aligned vertically, but we want to move it downward to sit over the lagoon layer. And so you can see, because snapping and magnetics are turned on, the object easily slides down with these blue guides. And even if I do move it to the side a bit, it can snap right back into alignment with the guides. By the way, the blue guides indicate alignment to other objects on other layers, and the gold guides indicate the canvas edges and center. So using this, I'm going to drag the placement down until it's aligned on this bottom edge. And then now that we have it in place here, we're going to go back and use the brush tool to fill in this gap of area as well. So moving from our mask layer down to our lagoon layer, we're going to use the color picker tool to grab this exact color to help us fill in this area. You can access the color picker by tapping this square button here on the sidebar, which will bring up this circle, and you can drag this around to choose your color. Or if you press and hold a finger to the screen, the color picker will appear as well. Then, using the spray paint brush, I'm going to fill this in. And while I'm here, I'm going to fill in some of these puddle areas as well to help those stand out a bit. Then we can decide on the amount of stillness that we want on this layer. So if you want this to be a completely perfectly calm lake or lagoon, we can leave it exactly as is. If you want to add some ripples, we can do so with the smudge tool. Moving up to our clipping mask layer of the reflection, I'm going to turn off alpha lock so I can move the pigment around outside of the bounds of the mountain edges. So to do that, you can tap the layer to bring up the side menu and tap alpha lock, or you can use 2 fingers to swipe to the right, and that will also turn off alpha lock. Then I'm going to grab the smudge tool, which I still have set to the fine nozzle brush. I'm going to set the size to about 10%. And then I'm going to use some light pressure to add some horizontal strokes back and forth, which will disrupt the edge here and give us a bit of a ripply water effect. If you decrease the brush size, these ripples will become more pronounced, and if you increase it, they will become softer. Coming up, I'll show you how to share and export your masterpiece.